Hey guys, this is Kangman. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your Hyundai smart key. So I hope this will be a help. Okay, so what we need is your smart key and a screwdriver. This will make it work easier, and some battery. The battery is CR2032. Okay, so what you want to do firstly is take out your key. And then if you see this, there's a little space there. So you can put your screwdriver in there. Okay. And just gently move it around. Just really gently. Just all around the key so it opens up. Okay. Like that. It's opening up. So you can put your finger in there and... Okay, once all the sides are open, you want to put that down there. And then take out the battery. If you have some sharp tool, it'll be easier. It's a little bit stuck in, so okay. And there's a new battery. And you can see that plus sign there. And inside it's got the plus sign as well. So you want to place that into the... Okay. It's in. And then you want to close. Okay, the battery is replaced. You want to put your key back in there, and there you go. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can use a coin to open your smart key. So that's another easy way as well. Okay, that's all for today. If this video was a help, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.